Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing NewJeans Minji as a Powerpuff Girl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the head by drawing a large sideways oval. Now let's hop inside and let's add the hair. Let's start inside in the center and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then let's color this in black. Now in the center, let's draw the eyebrows by drawing a rectangle shape on both sides. And let's color both of these in black as well. Next, let's move underneath and let's add the eyes. Let's draw a circular curve underneath both sides. Now inside each eye, towards the center, let's draw a large circle. And then add another circle inside each of these. And now let's color both of the rings in black. And lastly, inside each eye, let's add another curve here. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth with an angled curve. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 lines down. And then a line across the bottom. Now let's move inside and let's draw 2 lines across towards the top. And then let's color the stripe in black. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add the arms. Let's start with a curve down and bring it back in. And the same on the right. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with a line down in the center. And the same on the left. And on the right. Then let's close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. Next, let's hop inside and add the shoes. Let's start with a line across. Then add a U-shaped curve underneath each one. And now let's color both of the shoes in black. And that's it for the body. Now let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start on the side of the head and let's draw a line down on both sides. Then for the end, let's curve it in slightly. Next, let's bring it up. Another curve inside. Up again. And then one more curve on both sides to close off the bottom of the hair. And then let's color both sides of the hair in black. And that's it for Powerpuff Girl Minji. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!